uMamzobe obehlupha uzodwa umune usewukhombe kuMabusi kodwa uMamzobe uyaphethwa nezikhwama uNdlovu ke yena uzoqoqobela isikhundla sika Gumede. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 1st to the 5th of April 2024 on Monday. uMabusi noNokubonga bond over their pain. Sangoma tells uMamzobe that izikhwama need to be inherited by the rightful owner Ogungu Mabusi, or there will be a calamite on Tuesday. Will Mamzobe succeed in her mission to rid herself of the troublesome izikhwama? uNdlovu has his eyes set on Defa's position in the church on Wednesday. Mamzobe finds herself in a tight spot when Mabusi asks an uncomfortable question. uNdlovu is determined to see his daughter rise to be Mama Umkhululi on Thursday. Mamzobe managed to threaten Gabi, but it comes at a very high cost. Nokubonga receives her miracle and Ndlovu's wish finally comes true on Friday. Despite her concerning mental state, uMamzobe still digs in her heels and refuses to confess. Ndlovu's ambition lead him to do the unthinkable. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.